What's up, everyone? We have a 1979 FJ40 here, and we're replacing the taillights with some that we got off eBay. I ran into a bit of an issue right here. The first issue was the connector itself wasn't going in all the way, and the second issue was all the wiring was in the wrong spot. So when we turned it on, nothing was working how it should. So we're going to show you how to rewire it correctly. Okay. First things first. If you look at the connector, you have the little. If you look on the side, you got those two little clips right here and right here. I guess not clips, they're little plastic tabs. You've got to break those off. So I just pretty much took a little screwdriver, pried them off, so that way the connector can go in all the way. Secondly, I'm going to show you how this wiring works on this vehicle. All right. The bottom pin is your ground. The yellow wire, you can see it goes to the turn signal, is the top pin right over there. So that's for the turn signal. The top one, the top red connection, is for the running light. This is a double filament bulb right here. The bottom one is for your brake light. So when you hit the brake, this obviously becomes brighter. And then you have your reverse light, which is the white wire, which goes on to the top left pin out right there. So you want to go ahead and put all those lights on real fast?
Yes, sir.
Problem that we had, I think we blew a fuse while doing this when it was on incorrectly, because right now the running lights aren't working, but everything else is going to work. Go ahead and try the reverse. Start the car up, put it in reverse. So you can see right now, that's reverse. That's your turn signal. All right, turn the turn signal off. There you go. Now press the brake, put it out of reverse. Now press the brake and you can see that. And then the running light works, and just the fuse is blowing right now. So if you have an FJ40, you're trying to put these eBay lights on, just want to show you how to do that properly. We're now going to just put that back. We're going to push the pins back in to where they got to go, plug this in, and we're done. Thanks for watching. And FJ40 on. Peace.